Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So I hope everybody is doing fine and staying safe and staying at home and everything. I know I've not been uploading for the past few weeks, and I really think that you know, being in quarantine has been overwhelming for myself, and yeah, and I just didn't have the mood to do any video and whatsoever. But I wanted to do today's video because I wanted to do an update of my previous video, which was on the Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet unboxing. So I talked a bit about why I was not happy about that unboxing, and today I wanted to do a follow-up of what happened after that. So just to summarize a bit, basically I ordered the Clemence Monogram wallet of the Louis Vuitton website, and it came within a few days, which was nice. And this was all before the pandemic got bad and we had to stay home. So shipping was very fast and it was nice. It's just that there was a defect in the zipper. It was always stuck, and yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. So I was contemplating still keeping it because I didn't want to go through the trouble of returning it and ordering again, or I felt that just return it because it's not perfect. And I took about a week to decide whether I should return it, and eventually I thought, you know what, every single day I would take out the wallet out of the box and just look at it and just try to see if I should just live with the defect, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it. And it costs so much, and I feel that it should be a perfect wallet because of the price that I paid for. So I went to a nearby boutique, a Louis Vuitton boutique near where I live. I live in Toronto, so there's one about 30 minutes drive away. So I went there, and then I told the salesperson, hey, look, there's a defect in this wallet, I can show you. And then she opened it. She was like, oh, okay, yeah, there's a defect. No, she did not say there was a defect. She said, okay, I see it. And she said, so do you want a refund or do you want to exchange it for something else? So I said, do you have the exact one in the same monogram with pink ballerine lining? And she said, yeah, we do have it actually. So I thought, okay, I'm just going to do an exchange, provided that the new wallet seems fine. And she brought it out, and yes, I really still love the design. I love that it's a zip-around wallet, and I love the Clemence wallet, so I decided to get it. So without further ado, this is the exchanged wallet that I got. So when I went to exchange it, this was the box that I got the first wallet in. So I just brought that, and then she just put the new wallet inside in this box, and there was no ribbon because I kept the ribbon, and she didn't tie it again. The only thing was she gave me a paper bag with it, so I'm thankful for that. Okay, so this is the exchanged wallet, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I went to exchange it and so on. So it looks beautiful. I think this canvas, because the first wallet I felt that the canvas was a bit dull, but this one, when she passed it to me, the canvas just looks amazing. It doesn't look dull, it actually looks nice, and it feels nice to the touch. And I have to show you this. Look at that and hear it, if you can hear it. The zipper sounds so smooth and so perfect. So the first wallet, it was stuck here, so I actually had to tug at it quite hard in order to open up the wallet. But this one, this is how a good zipper should be. So inside, I got it in the rose ballerine lining. You guys know it's my favorite lining and color. And this one, if you can see the embossing here, the Louis Vuitton Paris is very clear. The previous one was a bit muddled, and yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. And if you notice, it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it did not say made in France or Spain, because this item was made in the USA. I'm fine with that. I think I looked at it. I think it looks perfect. The zipper inside looks perfect, and so I'm okay if it's a made in US item. And inside the zipper, it comes with this tag which just says coated fabric, cowhide leather lining, and made in USA of imported materials. And it also has these two stickers with the barcodes on it. So that's there. And yeah, I took a look around the wallet, and I think it looks fine. It there's no it's perfect. I think it's perfect as compared to the previous one. So it's nice. It still smells so good. It smells of leather and whatnot, and it's beautiful, don't you think so? So I'm really happy that I went to exchange it and I did not just settle for the defective one that I got. So anyway, let me just go through the wallet itself. I realized that in my previous video I was whining about it. I did not even touch a bit of what the wallet is about. So this wallet is, as I mentioned, is the Clemence wallet in monogram canvas with rose ballerine lining, and it measures 7.7 across with a height of 3.5 and a width of 0.6 cm. Yeah, sorry, 0.6 inches. So to me, this wallet is a perfect size for me because I don't really carry that many things. I don't like to stuff a lot of things in my wallet, so it can carry enough items. And this itself has two compartments, so you have one here and here, and then on each side you can see there's 4 card slots, and same goes for the other side, another 4 card slots, and it has kind of a hidden slip pocket at the back here, and same goes for this side. It also has a zipper compartment here for which you can put coins, but I realized that I don't want to put coins because it just, number one, tends to make it heavy, and I don't want the canvas to start to, you know, change its shape and not be as straight and so on. So I'm just going to be carrying cards in this wallet, and yeah, so that's about it about this wallet. I just wanted to share with you guys the outcome, and I'm so happy that a few of you commented in my previous video and you guys advised me to return it, and yes, I did do that, and I'm very happy and I'm thankful for the support that you guys have always given, because somehow I always feel that luxury item is a very personal thing which not many people will enjoy, not many people would understand, and I don't have that many friends who, you know, share the love of luxury items, especially for Louis Vuitton. And it's very hard if, you know, you don't have the passion for it and then you talk to somebody about it and they just cannot relate to you. So it's really nice to have an online community to just discuss all these things. I know it's sometimes you know, it's like a first world problems, especially during this time where you just discuss all these things and then you feel like, oh, this is such a small issue related in relation to the bigger issues that we currently have now. But well, I think life still goes on, and if you don't talk about, and if you know, you don't talk about all these things, and you just feel that it will be quite overwhelming, I think. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and I want to wish everybody safe health, and yeah, be safe, stay home, and do all the necessary. And I hope that this will be over soon, and yeah, then we can, you know, go about our lives again and so on. Yeah, so till next time, bye.